Hi, my name is Jose Torales, owner of Farmer Septic Grease Services. We pump septic, grease, wine waste, and hydrojetting. We do replacing grease traps and septic tanks, mount systems, pressure distribution systems, gravity flow systems. No job is too big for us and no job is too small for Joe's Farmers. People choose my company because we are owner-operated, family-owned. We've been in business for longer than anybody else, and we provide a quality jobs, and the price is reasonable. I started the company 2003, knowing the business very well, working for another company. A lot of my customers, they start saying, why don't you start your own company? I started with one employee, that was only me, and then my partner doing the paperwork. From there, I have now 7 workers and 2 in the office, 9 of us. We cover Sonoma County and all surroundings. And also, we work in San Francisco doing big grease traps. Wine waste, we go all over the 4 counties for grease traps and winery waste. You should use my company because we are there when you need us. I have experienced crew that they've been working with me for so many amount of years. We have a really good reputation. We work all over the county, all over, and we treat everybody fair. And we have a lot of my workers' expertise. For whatever your septic needs, give us a call. We are happy to help you.